All right, my guys, still on this series of learning your mother tongue and learning your dialect. I am showing you something new today, and many people do not know this before, but you are going to learn it now. So there's something in my hand. Look at it. This is bag. In English, we call it bag. Bag used to carry stuffs and whatever you want to put in your bag to anywhere. Now, in my Ndokwa dialect, what do we call bag? In your Igbo dialect, what do you call bag? In Imo State, in Mbase, everywhere in Igbo land, please, in your own local dialect, what do you call a bag? We, in Ndokwa, we call it Ekpa. Ekpam dikeni. This is my bag. Keni bekpam. This is my bag. Keni bekpam. How do you say it in your dialect? Don't forget, like I said, always speak your dialect for your children to learn. Let them learn English in school. This is Ekpa. Keni bekpa. This is a bag. Keni bekpa. This is my bag. Keni bekpam. Don't forget to follow me. Thank you.